Hi, in this video I will show you how to make a flat bottom for a toy, so it stands upright and does not fall. As you see, the cat's head and body are already crocheted, and I need it to stand upright, not fall to the side. If I just make decreases, the bottom will be rounded and such a toy will not stand upright. So, I need to wrap the next round inside. To do this, I will work in the back loop only. I take a thread of contrasting color as a marker and insert a hook into the back loop to make a single crochet. And I continue so the whole round. Let's omit the boring details. So here is the end of the round. As you can see, a kind of step was formed between this round and the previous one. When you crochet the next round, the fabric will lie inside, and between the body and the bottom will be a right angle. Now I will crochet the decreases only the whole next round. Put a marker and start. I make decreases in the front loop only to do them invisible. It is already seen that our fabric is bent inwards and the angle between the torso and the bottom is clearly visible. That's the bottom I got. I will make decreases only in the following rounds to get to the middle and close the hole. Then the bottom of the toy will remain flat and the toy itself will be stable. That's all. See you in the new videos.